Hi, friends and family. I'm in the kitchen again today, and I'm making a nice dish for you today. This is a Jewish dish that I am making, right? But I am doing it with a little twist to it too, right? I'm making some potato latkes, and I am doing some Hawaiian chicken with a little jerk on it, right? So here it is, and I'm not peeling off all of my potato skin, as you can see that. I wash it and was scrubbing it, and I'm still going to wash it again. But I want a little of the skin on it too, right? And then now we're going to grate this, and then now we're going to show you what we're going to do with it, right? Trust me, I used to make this dish, right? It's not what anybody show me from a recipe or anything like that. When I came here to this country here, I used to work with a Jewish family, and that's how I learned to make it. And they all enjoyed it so much. See? Yeah, so just follow me as I go along. I am going to have Pops to come out and say hello, because he will be helping me to grate these potatoes today, right? I have my chicken over here cut up, and I had it seasoning with some salt water and vinegar, and I'm going to rub a little garlic on it and just a little touch of jerk seasoning there, because I want my baby boy to enjoy this too, because I am going to be offering him some today. So just stay tuned with me as I go along. Hold on, honey. Hold on. Watch me how me do this thing here. Don't do it just right just alone. You want it to shred. Shred. Maybe you need them for cut, not true. You see it? You want it for shred. You see it? You don't want for gusto. You shred it. Run it down. You understand? See it? You see it a shred? I don't, hold on. I can make it easier for you. So. You see it, honey? Just, you want me to cut them in two? So just do it so. Just so. You understand? Here, so. Hold it. Don't put the chunk them in it though, you know. Okay, just do it. See my chunk there. See like a piece of chunk, yeah? But just do it same as on there, so. Do it on here, so, and throw it in there. No. Hold on. You see, I'm afraid that Pops will cut his hand on this grater here. It's a new grater, and it's very sharp. And as you all know, that Pops is diabetic. So I don't want him to get hurt. I have to protect him. Him is all I've got. I'm putting in some grated 3 cloves of garlic I grate, and here's a little jerk sauce that I am putting on it. I'm not putting in the fresh jerk sauce because that is too spicy. Okay, there it is. I'm going to put a little soy sauce on it, just a little speck. I put it into my hand. Okay. I'm going to put a little speck of black pepper. Okay, that should be it. I'm going to put these on here, and I'm going to put them in the oven. Okay, honey, come on, so come put this into the oven for me, please. Sit nice, nice. Thank you, love. Okay. Okay, rinse this out. Okay, I'm going to be finishing up on the potato. Friends and family, I'm waiting on my new mic. I'm having some problems with the mic, so I am not using a mic today. Right, so please bear with me. I hope you're all hearing me clearly. Right? I don't know what's going on with this mic here. I asked a friend to order it for me, so I'm waiting for it to come in. But I just want to show you the potatoes, because there's a lot of potatoes. I've never made this for my children before. But I remember, oh my God, at age 26, yes, I was making this. And later than that too. And the matzo ball. Yeah, this is a cheesecloth, and I am going to squeeze it to get out some of the water. it. All this is the water from the potato, but we don't want that in here. Thanks to Miss Nicole for this cheesecloth here. And I think Miss B too shared some with me. This I got good lessons with this. So you must all know and say that I know what I'm doing. Yeah. Because that's what we had to do. But I do it no little at a time, you know, so. This is the last. And if you see this color here, is the start from the potato. And not only that, I left some of the skin on it too. So that's what you see in this red color here. No much time you can use this piece of cheesecloth here. Nice. Let's see how good it's doing, or if I need to put it in my chopper. Put the chopper there on it, please. chop it a bit more. So this is my chicken, to do my pineapple chicken. So we're coming along. Chop onions. This is some matzo meal. Here, I can use either this or flour. I chose to use this. I'm gonna just do it with some and just check the texture of it. I don't know if everybody is going to like this, so I'm going to try that. I have 3 tablespoons of matzo meal. See it here? 1, 2, 3 heap tablespoonful of it. Tablespoon. I'm putting three eggs in there. My recipe called for 4 pounds of potato, but I think it's a little bit too much. But if I need more, when I make the first batch and they like it, then I will just do up some more. Last. I like a black pepper, quarter teaspoon of black pepper. And about a half a teaspoon of salt. You're going to take your hand now to mix it, and you know my hands are clean. I think I'm going to need a little more flour. I think, yeah. I want a spoonful of flour, honey. I have a spoon over here. Putting a spoonful of flour on it. That's it, no more. One extra egg I put in here. Yeah, this more feel like it now. Yep, this is good. All right. I'm taking out my chicken out of the oven. I don't want it to get overcooked because I am going to make it in a little sauce now. I'm going to put a little more than a half a stick of butter in there. Let me see what. There's not plenty chicken I'm doing, so there's not plenty chicken out there. Oh, let me do the whole stick of butter. I can use the sauce to put on something else. So this is like a quarter stick of butter, and I am melting it up. And it calls for a quarter cup of brown sugar. This is about a quarter cup, see it? See the rest in there. So this is a quarter cup of brown sugar, a half a cup of ketchup. You did shake it. 1. Two teaspoons. 2 teaspoons of cornstarch. Going to need a little salt in there. About a half a teaspoon of salt. Oh, see it? It has a little, I don't know if I want to use a seasoning one. I will taste it along the way. Teaspoon of soy sauce. And a little speck of black pepper. Cut this for me, honey, please. I'm mixing all of this in together. I'm going to add a quarter cup of vinegar in this. Where's my quarter cup thing is? Oh, here it is. Quarter cup of vinegar. And I'm going to do a little dash of Worcestershire sauce. I'd say less than a half a teaspoon. That's good. Worcestershire sauce. It's not something that I use every day. May I have my wooden spoon? This is, I'm going to add it in here with the butter. Excuse me. This is some pineapple. I'm not chopping them all the way off, I'm just making some big chunks. And I'm going to use back a little of the juice in there. Going to put some of the pineapple juice in there. And make that boil in. Wonderful. Cutting up some chicken here. Don't want them too big and too small. But we're going to make the sauce cook in a little bit more before I put in my chicken. Good. Want the sauce cooking good. The vinegar, the ketchup, the pineapple juice, the Worcestershire sauce, the salt and black pepper. Everything must cook in nicely. I'm cutting the chicken them a little bit smaller. And then I'm going to put in my pineapple first. When that comes to a boil, I put in my chicken. This is such a nice dish. Very delicious dish here. Put in my chicken now. Putting in some bell peppers, right? Just a little piece of bell pepper here. And then we're just gonna let it simmer in. See? Soon as it boil up, we're ready to go. putting in some oil in here. I have to make the pot get a little hot to put it in. Our latkes, we're gonna fry them now. Right, you want to take a look at my pineapple over here, my pineapple chicken. See, some bubble up. My friends and family, I've never seen it baked, but I feel it can be done. And give it a try. It's potatoes, like you're making French fries, right? It's only done in a different way, right? But it's nice. It's very nice. And it's very crunchy too. All right. See here, you're going to fold this like you're doing a fritters. I will see if it's holding here. This is, you have to take your time and fry it so the potatoes can cook inside too. You know, it's like making a fritters, only that this is potato. So you slow cook it like so. The potatoes cook thoroughly, and then when it's coming on, just right before you take these out, you turn up the stove a little bit so it can release some of the oil. Okay, I'm taking out my first batch of latkes here. And I just sample one of it, and it's very nice. I just find another recipe that I can work this with too. Very delicious. And they're not burnt. They're just nicely golden brown. Nice, nice. Anybody want good cooking and you have to rush? You're looking at the wrong chef. I take my time and cook my food with lots of love. My friends and family, if you notice, I take my time and I keep doing this, and I will turn it over and over so that it can cook in good without burning one side, right? And I realize I have a lot of new subscribers, a lot of newcomers. Thank you all so much for subscribing, right? And I must remind you all, please, to watch the ads for me, because it brings a revenue to me, right? Don't forget to give me a thumbs up each time, please, right? And just let me know in a comment what you would like to see me prepare for you, and I will try my best. These things are frying in so nicely. Very nice. I am so proud of myself after so many years without any more practice. Yeah. Taking out this set too now. I'm taking out this set right now. Right, and I have another set or two set left. And if you notice, I am trying to get out as much oil as I can. Oh, there's a Passover. I think it's coming up. And this is a part of their dish too that they use. My Jewish family. Right? We're spreading love. We're spreading love all over. May we have a blessed Easter, right, and a blessed Passover. For one, peace, peace in the world, peace. Father Jesus, peace. Good. I've reached to the ending of my lovely pineapple jerk chicken and my potato latkes, right? And it came out so nice. It's been ages I haven't made it. And I did it to the T, right? And Pops and Marlon and I tried one, perfect. Just came out so nice, right? So here it is. We're gonna give God thanks, right? This is nice. And my potato latkes, right? This is so lovely. And my friends and family, I am so sorry about this mic here. I'm having some real problem with it, but one is supposed to be on the way, right? So please just bear with me. I hope you're hearing me okay, right? And don't forget to watch my ads and to share my videos, please. Please give me a thumbs up. And it's nice to have you all with me. Much blessings and love. We're going to bow our head and say our prayers. Father Jesus, for what we are about to receive, may this be of great nourishment to our bodies. Thank you for this lovely dish that I provided today. Father, guide me and protect me and help me to come up with some more lovely dishes so I can share it with my family and friends. Amen. Help yourself for me, please. Yeah, Pops is going to serve his latkes over there. This is tasting so nice. Okay, honey, I'll take 2 of those latkes, please. All right. Very nice. Moist, juicy, lovely.
That's nice one here.
Well cooked. Thank you all so much. Much blessings to you all.
Thank you, thank you.
Pop's mouth full. Delicious. This is 5 pounds of goat meat. Ram goat meat. This is not cornmeal, my friends. This is roast breadfruit.
When did you start cooking?
From I was a young girl. The lovely chef in the kitchen here with me today. I'm putting a little escabeche on this.
Aunty Pauline, you're to a brass.